insert learning. So insert learning is a very useful tool. So being teachers, we are very much tired of creating resources. So since syllabus are frequently changing, since new topics are frequently introduced, we have to create the resource material, we have to prepare the course materials and all. So this insert learning is a very good Google Chrome extension, which will be useful to turn any website into your own resource material. So you need not spend your time and effort in preparing the new course material. You can browse which website you found it very much useful. You can just share that website with the students with this tool, and you can post the questions there itself. You can you can insert your own contents like videos, whatever it may be in the website itself. You can insert. That's why it's called the insert learning. So insert learning is a design. It is also a design for Google Classroom. You can as a teacher, you can browse a very good website. You have to find out which website is cool, which will turn any website, informative website into your own resource material. So this is also designed for integration with the Google Classroom. Whatever the website you are seeing and whatever the question you posted, that will be passed on to your students, and they can answer there itself. Okay. So this is a Google Chrome extension. You can find it, and after installation, it will be available here. It's a Google Chrome extension. So you can find out. You know how to find out the extension and install. I just straight away go to the demonstration. So here I am going to look for some website on renewable energy. Say we will explore some website on renewable energy sources. From because it is an interdisciplinary topic, it will be useful for the teachers to understand. Okay. So this is I am searching. I am finding some website. Let me go to the Wikipedia. So this is the website. So whichever website you find very relevant, very informative, very useful, you can turn that website into your course material. So I'm taking this Wikipedia website. I can take any website which is relevant to the topic. So now I'm going to pass on this web page to the students. Let them study the course material and let them answer. All the things are implemented in this page itself. How it is going to be? Let me see. So this is an insert learning tool. I have already have. One important thing is the students must also have installed the insert learning tool in their Google Chrome. That is the one important thing. Okay. So I'm clicking the insert learning tool. So it will come in the left hand side. It is loading right now. So here I'm going to, as I already logged in with my Google credential, it is already take me into the website directly itself. So this is the tool used for highlighting some important points the student has to study. So click that and so this is the some important. I'm just telling you this is used for. Okay. So this is the important area. So this is the first tool is highlighting tool. The second tool is sticky note. Sticky note is nothing but inserting your own content into the website. So I'm inserting a new video here. So I'm finding some informative video. I'm bringing it here. So assume I'm going to get a video on renewable energy sources. So I'm searching here. This is a basic video. I am taking this video.
Growing businesses need a hosting solution that is powerful yet easy to manage. Let's look at how business.
So this is video. This is the video I want to.
The most common sources are solar, wind,
here.
hydro, geothermal,
okay.
and biomass.
So this is like this. The external video can be embedded to the page you are looking. This is the website, the external website. This is relevant to my course. I took the website. I'm highlighting the important lines to be, important portions to be studied by the students. Wherever required, I am inserting some external videos into this video, and you can insert your own recording. You just click this recording icon, it will take to your recorder, and you can record your own recording here. Okay, that is also possible. You can record your video and you can insert into this area, and you can bring your images, bring any images into this website. So you can bring, you can insert videos, you can insert text. That is also possible. Okay, and I can post some questions also. I can post some questions to the students. Okay. Just right. So this is the area highlighted, and I posted some videos. And you can insert some questions. You can insert some questions. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? So I can create a question and I can add some answers. Okay, nuclear and hydro. Just I'm showing. Okay, wind and geothermal. Okay, so these are the options, and you can start discussion also. You can create a discussion in the website. What are the advantages? It should not be like a question and answer session. Discuss about the importance of renewable sources. Okay. So this is the discussion part I have created. So I have created a discussion, I have created a quiz, I have highlighted the important text, I can insert a video, I can insert a image, and whatever thing I can, you can bring it to the external website, and then you can post it to the students. By clicking the assign, it will post to the students. So which class you want to assign? So already there are 2 classes. I can go for the new class. So for this presentation, I have created a RIT class. So share to the class. So this material will come to the Google Classroom. You can see how the material came to the Google Classroom. Okay. So now I am going to the Google Classroom again. Here you can see, so I have posted a new assignment via Insert Learning. So Biomass. So that particular website is referred here and came as a assignment. Okay. So this, since the website is named as Biomass, it shows here as a biomass, but actually it is only some renewable energy related application. From student point, I am going again. I am going here. Now I can find the new assignment. I can click here. So it will take me to the website. I can open the website. If you are already installed the Insert Learning, it will take you to the Insert Learning. Because I am in incognito window, it is not taking me to the Insert Learning extension. If you have installed Insert Learning toolbar, it will take you to the Insert Learning. Okay. I hope you understand. This browser is a normal browser. And this is in incognito window. So incognito window, these add-ons are not shown. So that's why I am not seeing the web page. Otherwise, it will take me to the web page where I can find all the related contents, the quizzes, and other things. If you are received, you can kindly check, because many of you are enrolled into the classroom now. You can check whether you have received this information, including that video and quizzes, whether you received or not. You can check it later, because you might not install the insert learning tool. Okay. So some of our teacher answered they received the insert learning, that assignment. So the insert learning assignments are received, but the thing is you have to install the insert learning, and as a student you have to enter and see that whether that videos are inserted in the web page, the quizzes are coming, the discussions are coming, all the things you have to check. Then only the task, the purpose of that insert learning toolbar will be over. Okay, hope you understand. So this is how the insert learning toolbar is used for your classroom. So